He knew of several other hams in France also building 1 kW stations specifically for the tests and wanted to get an edge over his competitors. It will be more than a radio achievement. It will be one more tie of friendship between the two great nations which have been brought so close together by the late war, he wrote. Seeing the same level of enthusiasm in the U.S. as in France, Deloy also took note of the differences in amateur operations in the two countries. For one thing, the average amateur was much younger in the U.S. For another, on-air operation was more businesslike in that U.S. amateurs concentrated on message handling, which was not even allowed in France, whereas the French amateurs emphasized experimenting. Transmitters in the U.S. were often remotely controlled, but in France they were nearby where operators could get their hands on them, as an experimenter should. American amateurs optimized their receivers for ease of operation, useful in message handling, whereas in France they emphasized sensitivity and had receivers that were most of the time spread all over the table, wrote Deloy, which led to difficulties in adjustment and lower reliability, but I think we very nearly get the maximum sensitivity possible out of our sets, and most of us like far better to experiment with new hookups whenever we please than to sit night after night in front of the same nicely finished cabinet.